Hello guys and girls and welcome back. It's your boy Big John and I'm here today to show you the easiest strategy to make you consistently profitable using Neo. Now this is strategy 2 and I know you guys and girls are going to love this day trading strategy. So let's hit that like button, subscribe and hit those post notifications. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so first and foremost, if you have not joined my free Telegram group where I'm giving out gold trades, I actually gave out a winning gold trade today which was 150 pips and this was perfect for everybody. I told them beforehand we can see gold's actually starting to look to buy. On Sunday I also did a free Zoom call and I told every single person we could be looking at a continuation of a buy, possibly to 1937. So we did see 150 pips there and there's a whole bunch of analysis and you can see people winning the trade in this group here. The link for this group is in the description below. And if you're not a fan of Telegram, then you can easily join my free Discord as well. The link will be in the description below. And here you can ask me any questions just like you can in the free Telegram group. You can also ask it here in the free Discord group as well. Now we've got all of that out of the way, let's get straight into this and it's going to be fast. So you want to head over first to Funded Trader Plus and you want to go and get yourself an experienced trader account. The reason for this prop firm is that it has no minimum trading days, meaning that you are not in a rush to try and pass its single phase 1 account before you get a live account. So you can literally take as long as you want to be able to pass this account and then eventually get live capital. Of course, you only want to purchase an account that actually can suit your investment style. Do not go and buy a big account if you don't have the money for it or if you're using pretty much all of your life savings. In the description below, there's another 2 videos attached from a very good trader and he explains exactly how this company works and he also explains all of the necessary FAQs that you can go over. There's also a 10% discount code that he has in the description of his videos when you purchase any of these accounts. Okay, so now we've purchased our $12,500 account and this is how we're going to be working out the risk for this account. So here's our $12,500 here in capital. Our win rate is based on a 30% win rate, which you know is not very high and you're still going to be able to pass this account over a period of time. Here we're looking at a free risk to reward ratio, which is a 1-to-3, or some people call it a 3-to-1, however you want to do it, up to you. Now we can see here with iterations, that means how many trade entries we're actually going to take, and that's 1,000. For some people that might be a lot. This is to help you out so you can stop blowing your accounts and you can lower your risk and trade probabilities over a period of time. We're only looking at 10 variations of what can possibly happen in the outcome, so that's absolutely fine. We're going on a risk percentage for our risk type and we're only going to be risking 0.10% per trade entry, not the standard 1%, because we're not trying to pass this super fast. We're trying to be realistic. We've got other things to do like work and responsibilities, any type of education that we're currently in. We're not trying to be ridiculous with how fast we pass this account. Now when you press the run button, you can see you can come down here and it actually starts to show you what happens. So with 999 trades taken, you can see we've actually managed to pass this 10% that's needed on this prop firm account, and we've never managed to blow an account. And with the strategy that I'm going to be showing you and a 30% win rate, we've never actually blown this account in 999 trades. When we come down here, you can see the minimum equity, the maximum equity that the account did. You can see the consecutive winners, which is only 6 in 1,000 trades. Keep that in mind, people. Now you can see we had 21 losers here. So this shows you do not need to be a perfect trader. You can have 21 losers in a row and still actually pass your prop firm account as long as you have no rush. Our maximum drawdown was 3.46%, which Funded Trader Plus have a maximum drawdown of 6%, so we went nowhere near that. Our average drawdown was 0.5%, again going nowhere near our limit, and our average max drawdown was 2.49%, again going nowhere near our limit. Now let's go over to what we're looking for when we're taking a trade setup. So every single time you're about to take a trade setup, you always want to make sure your account balance is what's stated here. But for our stop loss, we're always going to be looking at 0.10% of whatever our account balance is. If we go over to equals, we can see right now from a fresh account, we're only looking to lose $12.50. Now for us to find our take profit, of course we're trading 1-to-3s. We're going on 0.30% of our account balance, whatever it is at that current moment you're about to take a trade. And if we go to equals, you can see this is $37.50. Now let's head over into the strategy that we're actually going to be using. So this is Neo, the indicator expert advisor, and this is absolutely amazing. I'm showing people currently in the free Telegram group and even in all the VIP services, people that are already on the pre-order list, exactly how this product can work for you. And this is the second strategy, which is a day trading strategy, and it is going to be built mainly for people that are busy traders and do not have time to check the charts every second. So we want to be on a 4-hour chart at first, and what we're going to be paying attention to is any breaks of structure in the market on the 4-hour chart or change of characters. We have the smaller squares here, which will show us any breaks of structure, and we have the bigger squares up here, which will show us a change of character. We also have like a medium square here, but this one here that has nothing inside with the fill will literally just show you a break of structure as well. So once price action has actually broken structure, we want price action to show us a supply area on the indicator here or a demand, and then we're looking for a pullback, and then we're taking an entry literally off of the box that you can see on the screen. You can also take trade setups like this once price action has broken structure and you see a pullback to one of these boxes as well, which is your supply or demand, then you can take a trade setup like that. But you have to make sure whether it's one of these setups where there's a new level and a rejection, there is no new change in market structure. So even with this trade setup that you can see here for this sell, the market actually broke bullish structure here with this candle. So this is a no-go trade. We wouldn't be trading this setup. And I just wanted to make sure that's very clear for the traders to understand. So if we was looking for a take profit level in this trade, if it never broke structure here, our take profit level is going to be based on any of the liquidities that NEO is automatically printing for you on the chart. And we're looking for our 1 to 3 setup just based on that. If this was a trade setup, remember this was a no-go because it turned back to a bullish trend. We would have easily have entered like this, and then we would have been looking to take our take profit down to this level here. Now people are going to ask, what lot size would you use to enter the trade? Don't worry, Big John's got you. All you have to do is easily work out from your entry how far your take profit would be. Our take profit here is 115 pips. So the next thing we're going to do is this. We're just going to head over to this website here. Again, the link for all of these things will be in the description below. You can see straight away we've put here 115 pips. We've put AUD New Zealand. We've put a 0.05, and we've also made sure it's USD. And you can see straight away it's come up to $36. Now, we do not want to go any higher than that because if we do, we start to lose more money. Always trade less because it's better for you. So now we know what lot size we need to enter this trade with. So if you're using MT4, which I suggest everybody does when they're entering their trade setup, all you have to do is move your entry line a bit further up, and as soon as it tells you you're about to lose whatever your risk management has been set to, ours would have been $12.50, you're literally just putting your stop loss there, and that's it. If price action hits your stop loss, it hits your stop loss. If not, of course it can go down for a continuation of a sell or a buy trade setup. So when we go over to Euro GBP, you can see over here the market broke bullish structure right here, and then we've seen a pullback to this area. Our take profit would have been this liquidity level up here, and you can see last week our take profit level was actually hit, so this was a winning trade setup for us. When we come over to Euro USD, we see that there was a break of structure here in the market with this candle, and we saw the same thing here. Price action came back up to this level here, and then we literally would have entered here, and our take profit level would have just been right here where the liquidity is resting there, and you can see that price action actually hit our take profit level. When we come over to GBP AUD, we can see there was a break of structure here in the market. There was also a change of character here which was bullish, and then when price action came to this level here, we had a nice level of demand here, and from this level all the way up to here where our take profit would have been, we actually managed to get a massive winning trade. When we come over to GBP New Zealand, we can see that the market actually managed to change character over here when price action broke with this candle here, and then price action pulled back to this 4-hour demand level, and then we had another buy trade that went all the way up here. Our take profit would have been here, so this was hit for almost 200 pips. When we come over to NZD CAD, we can see here there was a 4-hour break of structure over here. The market actually came back to this level here, and then we managed to see a sell trade go all the way down here like this for about 80 pips, and it actually hit the take profit level here. So I do want people to know that NEO does print out the break of structure and the change of character, and if you haven't seen that before, you can go watch the NEO playlist that's attached to this video now, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. The reason why we're not seeing it on the screen at the moment is because NEO is an expert advisor, and expert advisors have to scan the market so that it is updating as the market is moving in real time. When we come over to NZD JPY, you can see we had a change of character here. The market actually pulled back to this level, and again, what did we do? We had a TP hit this week right now all the way up here for about 127 pips. And now when we come over to NZD USD, we had the same thing here. We had a breakout sell that happened with this candle here. The market came back to this 4-hour supply level. Our take profit level could have been here or would have been down here, but we can see our take profit 1 was hit, but our take profit 2 was just slightly missed, and this is what happens sometimes. But we did know that we had a take profit level 1 here where we should have put our TP for our trade setup. So just to show you that it does actually print its break of structures, you can see here on gold a chart that I've left running for the free Telegram group for them to be able to see when it's updating. I send screenshots. You can see over here we have a 4-hour break of structure, and here we have a 4-hour break of structure as well. So it does actually print, just for anyone that hasn't watched any of my Neo videos before. And last but not least, if you actually use Stop Hunt 1 as well, this can help you when price action gets back to those supply or demand areas on the 4-hour chart. If Stop Hunt 1 is actually in your trading direction in terms of the trend, then this could help you a lot. It shows when the 4-hour chart could be getting weaker. So if you get a bearish sell, that could be happening, and then you also get Stop Hunt 1 that's bearish as well, that could be a brilliant trade setup for you at that time in order for you to make maximum pips towards your liquidity level. Okay, so when we head back over to the equity simulator, of course I've shown you pretty much all winners there. There will be some times you probably will get wicked out and lose trades, but remember, this is based on a 30% win rate. If you ever get to a period where you have a 50% win rate, now you can see the magic of what starts to happen here. So if we run this again, you can see you have minimum drawdown, and look how mad this equity curve actually is. So you can see how much you're managing to grow your $12,500 account just by having a 50% win rate. Now that might not happen for everyone, but there's some people out there that do. If you do want to get access to Neo the Indicator that's coming out on the 17th of July, then what you want to do is hit me up in Discord or Telegram. It is 100 GBP for lifetime access, and that comes with all of the VIP services you can see on the screen right now. I can't make this any more easier, guys and girls, trust me. And this strategy or any other strategy is always going to evolve over time, but I've got a playlist for all of the updates for any of the strategies that I do make. I hope you love this one, guys and girls. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It is your boy Big John, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.